description.
Alright, hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from South Korea. Currently it's sold in the GCC area, which is like, I want to say it's like Gulf countries, so like Dubai, that area. We've got good Seoul with their Topokki. Usually people will either say it one way or the other, I suppose. Topokki. It's tricky because in Korean, a T, like a double T, when you see it put into Romanized is what they call it. A double T or a double D is the same thing. It's a hard D or a soft T. So like Topokki. I know it's hey, it's not Cantonese, but this is a cheese tteokbokki, and that's what we're doing today. Do I have everything in it first? I think I do. Yeah. And play. Okay. So today is what we call Tuesday. Here, I know you might not be used to that nomenclature, but that's just how we do here. And being Tuesday, it's a day. So that's something you should know about. This is the do not eat. If you eat it, it's not going to taste good. It's probably not going to taste like anything. I've often thought maybe I'll be the guinea pig. Man eats silica gel packet and survives would be the headline. Because if the stuff that was in those was going to kill you, they wouldn't put them in with food. They just wouldn't. And so yeah, it's not going to kill you, but it is not a food. It's called a desiccant, which keeps things dry. Alright, and there is our flake. We're all ready to go. We're going to put this back on the heat. We're going to turn on the timer, and you're going to get to watch. So that's fun for you. I know how much you enjoy that. It should return to the boiling attitude very quickly. But yeah, today is Tuesday. At least for me. The last episode I did, I mentioned, I think I said if it's your Monday, have a good week, and if it's Friday, have a good weekend. But I think it came out on a Saturday. I can't remember. I've done a lot of episodes in the last 2 weeks. Happy to announce that I actually got out walking yesterday. So that's good. It seems that if I'm in motion, everything's fine. But as soon as I stop or stand there, oh my God, my leg starts to hurt. I've always kind of had that. Standing, just standing still. So yeah. It said 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want this to be as soupy of a tteokbokki as I can. Well, not really soupy per se, but you know what I mean. But I definitely want the tteokbokki to be done. I think last time I did this, it was less than 2 minutes that I let it go, and it was done enough. It's so weird. I had that episode of having trouble with this camera working, right? I've got my regular phone that I use as a monitor, and it used to be all choppy. And now it's like I'm really glad I had that horrible time because now everything works so nicely. It's nice and smooth. I think we're about there. Yeah. I think we're good. So, let us. I did have, I think I had the cheese Topokki recently, but not the tteokbokki. Topokki just has noodle with it too. I'm curious about that. What is that? Fish cake. There's your tteokbokki. Soft, slightly chewy. Wonderful stuff. Man. Alexa, tell Roomba to go home. Alright, I think we got it. Soon enough. No, don't start this spinning around in circles, junk. There you go. There you go. Good robot vacuum. Okay. This is a good one. I really like this. And this one, I think I'm going to add a couple things to it. Chinese sausage. And then I've got some my own fish cake. I'd like to learn how to make fish cake, but I think it's pretty involved, and that'd be a lot of fish. And it's easier just to buy it. But I don't know, sometimes it's like, I mean, it's way easier just to buy chashu. Way easier just to buy Chinese sausage. Could I make it here? Yeah, I'm sure I could, but definitely not something that I think I want to attempt to make in a small apartment. Alright. Here's our bowl. Do I want to use this bowl? I don't know. I've got a cup variety next, and I think this will be fine. I think this will be complimentary for cheese tteokbokki. Have I ever told? I know I have, but you might not have heard it. So one time I had to get a tooth pulled at the dentist because it was giving me fits. It was horrible. And anyways, the doctor was quite obviously Korean, young guy. And I got the, what do you call it, the nitrous. He was a really nice guy. And I was like, there's some scallion. I was like kind of loopy. Because the trick with nitrous is I like to, you know, it's like you're getting a little bit of wacky. And so are you feeling the effect of the nitrous, sir? No, not at all. Okay, we'll turn it up a little bit. That's the ticket, you know. Some sesame seed. But, yeah, he was there, and I was like asking him if I was saying Topokki correctly. He was like, yeah, you got it, you got it. I just remember I saw something somewhere that were saying that is like the hardest thing for Westerners to say, is that double T, double D accent. Topokki. Yeah. Anyways, I love Topokki, and I want to thank Good Soul for sending so much of it. I think pretty much everybody but my son likes Topokki here. So yeah. Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is of particular interest. It was a little difficult to do the research on, but I think I got it right. This was sent to me by James from Lakeside, California. Really appreciate it. Especially something so unique. The next two will be ones he'd sent recently. And it's this Snoopy noodle. It's a beef noodle. When I researched it, because there's a lot of Chinese on it, and Mandarin rather, and simplified Chinese. And anyways, I'm like, where is this stuff made? One thing says product of Vietnam, one thing says product of South Korea. I figured this was just like a product for China. I looked up this there's a QR code on here. It's for Taiwan. So, yeah, cool. Alright, well that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.